A.
A.
A. So my question is how you can speculate on put option?
No. Wait.
No, your point is right up to this point. You need,
Yes.
you see that British pound is going to be appreciating in future, so you can just buy right now. You can say that okay, you are having a strike price which you expect that will be lower at that point, and British pound is higher at that point, so you will buy at low and then you sell in the market at high price, right? But what is this contribution? Anyone?
The thing is, the first strategy of the call is definitely purchasing call now, because it will appreciate. So the price of the call will increase, and you can sell it expensively. And in terms of the strategy with put, when we sell it now,
you are in the right track, Nicola. You are on the right track.
I think if we sell it now, the premium will be like our profit.
Well done. So when British pound is going to be riding, when this is the condition, right? It means this is a positive number, right? And then C will be in the money, which means the premium also going to be higher, right? So you purchase that to speculate on that, but do you think the premium on put option is in the money? It's a negative number, right? Because we expect that the spot price will be higher, right? So it means the person who is buying put, he will not going to exercise the the put option, right? Because that would be out of money, right? It will be more cheaper for him to sell in the market rather to sell us, right? So he will let this premium expire, and that would we receive it. So this premium we pay, and this premium we receive, right? So by doing that, we will be speculating, we will be making some profit. Understand? Or you can just say that even if we are not combining this call option, even by selling this premium, we will be having a profit. Understand? Answer would be A. Well done all who said A. Very nice. Now here is the calculation part, which is challenging as well. So I'm just going to I'm going to be making a breakout room, and I will be giving you 2 questions, and all you need to do, pick the answer. So let me just first make you up in breakout room, I think automatically. Yeah. So I will be taking a picture and sending it to the group, okay? Okay, Alima, Leo, Nicola, did you receive the file, pictures that I sent it to the group?
Yes, I'm just reading it.
Yeah, I sent you 2 questions. Please do that. It's a collective, like, class participation.
Okay.
Okay, I will be moving to the other groups and talk about their. Okay, guys, did you receive the file that I sent it into the group?
Yes.
Okay, good. Why not Jackie's here? Strange. Let me add it to here. So you will be having 10 minutes to do that, okay? Then I will be
Yeah.
keeping this breakout room.
I
Okay, guys.
multiply 12.
Did you receive the files?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I will be giving you 10
Yeah.
minutes to do that. Okay, then I will be canceling out this breakout room.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, welcome back after the breakout room. So what is the option here for first numerical question?
D.
Option is D or B?
D, delta, yes.
Okay,
B.
D.
B and
D.
D and B. Okay, so we have anyone who is still saying A and C? No, okay, let's talk about this. ASUS Corporation wants to use an option to hedge 12.5 million to receivables from New Zealand. The premium is $0.03. The exercise price is $0.55. If the option is exercised, what is the total amount of dollars received? Right? So first of all, they want to hedge it, right? And they enter into the option. So first of all, how many dollars they will receive? Multiply by 0.55. What is the answer here?
A, 6.875.
12.5 multiplied by 0.55. Answer is 6.875 million, right? So the cost of the option is 0.03. And the cost should be added or decreased? Decreased. How much? Let's talk about this. 12.5 million multiplied by 0.03. 0.375 million is going to be less from here. So answer would be 6.875. 6.875 minus 0.375. Answer is 6.5 million. The answer should be D, not B. Michael, Sipade, understand?
Yeah, I said D. I didn't say B.
Yeah, I said B. I
Oh,
understand now.
Okay. I thought Michael also said B. Okay, so B cannot be the answer. Understand? So cost should be minus, not add. This should be minus. How about this? What is the answer?
B.
B.
B. Any other option?
B.
Right? So what is the profit formula? Buy low, sell high, and less premium. That's it. So do I need to solve this? I think no, all is saying B. Answer is B. So if you want me to solve it, please say solve it. Okay, let's move. Okay, today we'll talk about chapter 6. Chapter 6 is all about government influence on exchange rate, right? We already talked about the government influence in our chapter 4, right? In which we talk about that, government can influence the exchange rate. Today we'll talk about in detail that how the government can influence the exchange rate and through which techniques we talk about in this lecture. So let's talk about this. So we'll be having our 4 learning objectives to cope up this chapter. So as I told you, we already explained that government policies affect the exchange rates. Yes, so some policies are specifically intended to affect exchange rates. We'll talk about in our coming slides as well, but roughly, what are these? We talk about tariffs, right? If you can recall, import duties, tariffs, right? So other policies are intended to affect economic conditions, but indirectly influence the exchange rate. So some policies, for example, improving the national income, right? When you make such kind of economic condition in which your per capita income is going to be rise, but what happened? Your exports going to be decrease, your imports going to be increase. Why? Because people is now getting more wealthy, so they can afford more imported goods, so they will buy more imported goods of foreign country. In that case, your current account deficit is going to be increased. And now, because the performance of MNC is affected by exchange rate, financial managers need to understand how government influence exchange rate. So why there is a point in this introduction? Because you are not running the government, you will be employing in, or you will having the decision for MNC, multinational corporation, or you will be deciding for your own business, right? So you do understand the government policies. Why? Because it affects the exchange rates. And due to the introduction of this policy, now you are the financial manager, or you are a CEO of your own company or boss of your own company. Now you have to predict or forecast that how this policy is going to be affecting my business, or how it will be affecting my companies and what my company expects from me. Okay, number one is, what are different kinds of exchange rate systems? So exchange rate systems are classified according to the degree of government control. So they are falling in 4 categories. Number one is fixed, free floating, managed, and pegged. So we are not required to go into the history. I won't be requiring you to going into the history and memorize all these dates. But what I am requiring from you guys is that to understand its advantages and disadvantages. So let's talk about number first is fixed exchange rate system. Exchange rate are either held constant or allowed to fluctuate only within narrow band. So that doesn't mean if exchange rate is fixed, it doesn't mean that we are not allowing them to fluctuate. For example, we can see that it's 2% plus minus. So you fix exchange rate, the government say that yuan to dollar, yuan to dollar is, for example, 7. That's it. So if government fixed this one, we call it, this is fixed exchange rate system, and only allowed for